Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off online status on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off online status on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us over here. Tap on that three-lined icon over here at the top left, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings and you will land on this interface. Now in order to proceed to turn off online status on Telegram, you can see there is the privacy and security option available for us under the category of settings over here. Just below the chat settings, tap on privacy and security, and over here you can see there is the privacy category option available for us, in which the second option is the last seen and online status. Now in order to turn off your online status, first tap on that last seen and online, and over here currently you can see I have tapped it on nobody, which means that my online status is already turned off on Telegram. So in your case, if it's on everybody, you can see yours will be like this. Now in order to turn it off, tap on the nobody over here, and you can see also there it says the hide read time over here, and here it also says the hide the time when you read messages from people who can see your last seen. If you turn this on, your read time will also be hidden from you. So guys, if you also want to hide your read time, tap on this toggle icon to turn it on, and after tapping on nobody on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the tick mark at the top right, and that option will be saved. And with that being done, guys, your online status on Telegram will be turned off. And there, guys, this is how to turn off online status on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.